Hello students, I hope you will be fine. Today we will discuss about fraction. So what is fraction? A fraction is a part of whole. किसी whole का कोई part that is called fraction. You all are seen pizza. आप सभी ने पिज़्ज़ा देखा हुआ है. It is divided into 4 equal parts as you know. Suppose you ate one part. So you have to find the fraction of left parts. Left parts are 3. Total parts of pizza 4. What is the fraction of left parts? 3 by 4. Left part out of 4. Total out of total left part. That is called fraction. In a fraction we call top number numerator and the bottom number denominator. Top number is called our numerator and bottom number is called our denominator. So we can say that a fraction we can write in a numerator and denominator form. Numerator by denominator form. Next, types of fraction. First one is our unit fraction. A fraction with the 1 in numerator is called unit fraction. एक fraction जिसका numerator 1 हो. Fractions जिनका numerator 1 हो, that is called our unit fraction. And next one is our proper fraction. A proper fraction is a fraction where the numerator is less than the denominator. जिसका numerator छोटा होगा denominator से, less than denominator, like 3 by 4. 3 is less than 4. Our numerator is less than denominator. 4 by 7, 6 by 9, etc. 4 by 7, our numerator is less than denominator. 4 is less than 7. As same 6 by 9, our numerator is less than denominator. So what is called improper fraction? An improper fraction is that fraction where the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. Equal to the denominator where n or d are equal is called our improper fraction. And if n is greater, numerator is greater than denominator, that is called our improper fraction. Suppose this figure given to you and you have to find improper fraction of this figure. As we can see, this figure is divided into 8 parts and this one is also divided into 8 parts. What we have to find both of the figures in one answer, improper fraction. In this we can see all 8 parts are shaded and in this we can see 2 parts are shaded. Out of the total full figure, we can see that 10 parts are shaded. In improper fraction, one whole part that is called our whole part, where all the full figure is shaded. All parts of a figure are shaded, that is called whole. One whole part and 2 shaded part out of 8. Out of 8, 2 shaded part will be added to make improper fraction. Whole, this include 8 parts and 2 shaded parts out of these 8 added to make improper fraction. 8 and 2, 10 parts, 2 out of 8. So its improper fraction will be 10 by 8. 10 by 8. Next, it also can be written as mixed fraction. 10 by 8 we can written in a mixed fraction like this. 1 say 2 by 8. 2 shaded, 1 whole part out of 8. 2 shaded out of 8, that is called 2 by 8. 2 by 8 and whole part is all parts is in this all shaded. All parts are shaded, so it is called whole. Whole part and 2 out of 8 are shaded. So it is called our mixed fraction. So we can write in a mixed fraction also.